Lamig ah. So ngayon, nag-aantay na lang kami ng mga bagahe para akutin. Kasi nga, ongoing na siya. Bigat ah. Ayun ko lang nare-raise na mabigat yung bag ko. So, nakuha ko na yung bag ko. Arriba, let's go! Asan yun? Ayun! Ayun na! Nakita ko na yung bag. Let's go! Ayun na si kuya! Ayun na si kuya! Ayun si kuya! Hi! Opo! So hi guys, welcome! So today nandito tayo ngayon sa Palawan. Hey! So nandito kami ngayon sa sa Sabang. Sa ano to? Malapit sa Puerto Princesa Underground Bridge. Ang dagat dito, white things. Color blue. Diba? Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Hala, may isang species na kakaiba.
Please welcome in Mangrove Tour, my dear guests. Tinatanggap namin kayo ng buong puso sa aming lugar. I will give a short background on the project. Mangrove Tour is a community-based laboratory activities. We are people's organization. We call ourselves as volunteers. We are giving the true information about the benefits come from the special tree in the Philippines. Here they are. Look at your left and right side. These are mangroves. Bakawan, bakaw. Yeah. We have 4 kinds of mangroves in here. But in the country of Philippines, you have 40 different kinds of mangroves. One of them was Nilad. Nilad mangrove tree grown in Pasig River during the early times. So the legendary name of Manila now is Maynilad, derived from the name of mangrove tree grown in Pasig River during the early times. Excuse me, we will interrupt our information because we have a snake.
Where?
Ito siya.
Ayun!
Black and yellow, the color. Yes, Binturan, the Filipino name. There is a poisonous snake. Yellow striped snake in English. Buiga logugaster, the scientific name. Girl. Healthy girl. Oh. The other one, the smaller one and shorter one, this is a photo boy. Poor boy. Yeah. Do not look down on it. When this is small and short, this is hard. Harder than this one. Than the fruit of girl. Kamilok, the title, okay? You can join me. Uy, karu-karu bukid kasi Antonio. Please listen to the message of the song, not to the voice of the singer. Halinaw hirang sa barangay Kabayugan, ating masilayan na ibang bakawan. Tayo ay mamangka patong bakawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Bakaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlogang isda, una ng pagkain. Huwag itong putulin, pagpus ay mahal. alin is that alimango ay dito nang galing. Tamilok na masarap, oy! Hipon na mailap, oy! Talabang malasa at lukan na biyak. Ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Everybody! Tamilok na masarap, hipon na mailap, talabang malasa at lukan na biyak. Ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Maraming salamat kaibigan, kayo ay laging welcome sa bakawan. Susunod na taon babalik naman, kami ay laging naghihintay. Salamat po. Thank you my friend. You are always welcome in Mangrove again. Next year you will be come back again. We are waiting for you all the time. Thank you. So that is our signature song.
So ito na yung tamilok guys. Yung block niya, kailangan natin tanggalin yung block kasi ito yung kahoy.
Yung taas na lang.
Na lang. Masarap siya. Lasa siya magic sarap. Oo nga, tama. Lasang magic sarap. Lasang magic sarap nga. Kasi di ko na siya makakain kasi may kahoy na.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to.
So what's up guys, so today nandito tayo ngayon sa Tadlaw Lagoon. So dito ang magagawa nyo dito ay mag-kayak.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate.
So yan, today nandito po tayo sa Matinloc Island. Lamig dito. May may daanan. Saan kaya ito pupunta? Grabe yung mga limestone dito. Hey! Ito yung hidden beach. So ito yung second stop namin, which is yung Matinloc Island nga. And ang ganda niya kasi para siyang nasa hidden talaga siya kasi nasa loob siya ng isang bato, mga bato malalaki. Which is ayan. Yung boat namin doon sa kabilang side. So ngayon, nandito kami ngayon sa secret beach, talagang secret siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung butas. Nakikita nyo yun. Saan ba? Natatakpan siya. Ayan o. Ayan yung butas. Yung ilaw na yun. Saan yung tali? Ayan. Diyan tayo pupunta. Let's go. Kaya natin yan.
Hintayin kasi dyan. O
So,
dyan,
ano?
nilain mo ako.
Saan ba? Bila. Nagagay sa'yo kasi sakit sa matay. Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go. Punta tayo doon.
Dyan!
Let's go. Ganda. Picture ka na. Beach to eh. Let's go. Ganda. Talagang ang tanging entrance mo lang para makapunta rito. Yung bukas na yun, no? Angas! Ganda yung ate ko. Walang ilangoy na lang. Dubog tayo sa ilalim. So, ang tool ngayon, bumalik at lumabas. Sorry, lumabas doon kasi ang lakas ng alon. Sobra. Okay. Yung alon ngayon kasi kapag lumalakas yung alon, sumasap. Eto. So, yun yung dadaan natin sa ilalim. So, kailangan natin pasensya na kung magalaw yung camera kasi dinadala ako nung malakas na alon eh. Let's go. Na makalaw.
I fall behind every time that you're around. And it's a lie when I say that I'll be fine, I'll be fine. And in the night I tend to lose my sight, I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now, I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings. 'cause I feel ready
Hindi ba ako?
now.
Likod. Sort lang. Makain ako ng ensilada. Luping lang. Sab dito ng hangin. Hula. With my pakwan. Isa pa. Isa. Try nyo din. Buk ba sa wak tablanan?
At night, aligns all the shady features and all our empty worlds. Behind the scene, they're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts. But I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back to the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, you get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble.
So, nandito na ako sa bangka kasi nagpapabila ako ng drone. Nakita nyo naman, diba? Ano siya nagsalita lang? So, nandito na ako sa bangka nga. And, tapos na kaming lunch. It's already 2:48 na ng hapon. Napalipad ko. Ganda dito sa pinunta namin. Grabe ang ganda ba? Mahangin. Tapos yung init dito, yung kahit nakaganyan ka sa init, hindi siya yung tulad sa tibak na sa balat. Dito ano eh, chill siya. So tayo ay lulubog kasi may mga fish daw. Let's check. Pero habaan natin yung camera natin para kita nyo rin ako, diba? Doon talaga. So, dahil tapos na kami at wala mo na ako nakita masyadong ganung kadaming isda. O baka nandun kasi sila sa pinakadulo kasi ano ba? Ano ba yan? Andun pa kasi yung dulo ng linya. Ito yung may white, yung linya na yan hanggang doon. Eh malalim doon. Wala naman akong dalang gantog dito. Life jacket, pampalutang masyado. Eh, hindi na ako nakapunta doon. Pero yung mga isda naman nakita niyo makanya, di ba? So, yung pabalik na kami doon sa sasakyan kasi nagtatawag na sila and paalis na. Ha 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 ha. Enjoy naman ako dito. So, pauwi na rin kami after nito. Naming gagawin kundi ang magpahinga. So, yun lang. Kita-kita tayo later.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and